What's going on, Gbody gang? And we back. You already know what time it is, man. Look, so right now I'm actually sitting here trying to figure out why I got a leaf in my sweatshirt, my hoodie. But anywho, finna get to work, man, real quick. Like, man, we actually in the truck today. So finna make a move today, you did. So I'm in here right now snatching out some. Before we get started, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops you did. All right, man, and we back. All right, so finna make a move with the truck, man. I've actually, for quite some time now, man, I've been in the market to try to get a F250. I'm truly a Chevy person, but for towing purposes, man, I need to get a diesel. I need to get something that's gonna last me a long time. This truck I got right now is my third truck. The new truck is gonna be my fourth. I'm tired of buying trucks, so yeah, man, we're gonna make a bigger move. Go and grab a diesel. The longevity on the diesel is, you know, it long live the diesels. You already know what time it is with diesel. You treat them right, they'll last you a lifetime. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But before I can make that move, I need to clean out the Silverado. I want to keep my speakers. Every time I've traded in my trucks, all of my trucks, I leave the speakers in the car, man. You know what I mean? I always leave the speakers. And I had to come back around and get a whole new system again. Let me go ahead and get these and get this light. So, me personally, man, I'm just tired of having to, you know, repeat that buying process on subwoofers, and we're not gonna do it again this time. So I'm gonna get this out. I'm gonna set this up, this light. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of the car, out of the truck, and get my amp. I'm gonna bolt back down these speakers, not the speakers, we're gonna bolt back down the seats and clean out the back of the bed of this truck. Get everything up out of here that we need to get up out of here, and that's gonna be it, man. Shoot to the bank, grab this check, and that's it, man. So stay tuned. I'm gonna see y'all shortly after I get this out. You did. All right, man, and we back. So finally made it out here to the dealership, man. Got the in-law around the corner, mother-in-law sitting over there. I don't know why they parked. I'm talking about they parked the truck way up there. That's a long walk. It's a long walk. Hopefully, man, it's the last time I get to see this truck a ride in it. So we gonna see you, dig. I know. That's why, man. Don't make sure shine. My mama said, my mother-in-law said, I got my pants halfway down, like a little thug out here in these streets. You know. So let's see what we're gonna do. You did. So stay tuned. It's dark out here too. Hey, doing all right about yourself? Hey. All right, and we back. You want to take the walk? You want to walk? You want to drive? All right, man. So
I want to see the black one.
Yeah, I want to see the black one too. All right, so I'm out here, man. The goal is to try to trade in my truck for an F250 diesel. You know what I mean? Got leather. Yeah, they probably all out.
It's unlocked on that.
Yeah. Oh, it look like it got a sunroof. It got a sunroof? It got a sunroof?
Yes, it does.
How much I want for this one?
Step bars come out automatically.
How much I want for this one? Oh, that's nice.
It's a 2021 though. Ooh, that's why.
I already know it's gonna be up there. All right, man. I'm gonna take this long walk up the hill real quick and see what they got. But yeah, so like I said, ultimately, man, I want to get an F250 just for, you know, two reasons. Towing capacity. I want to be able to tow 2 cars, no problem. You know what I mean? So diesel is ultimately gonna be the best option. Well, the F250 gonna be the best option, stronger option, and the motor size in it's 6.7. So yes, definitely gonna be the best option. Number 2, diesel longevity. diesel trucks last a lot longer than regular gas trucks. Yes, the upkeep is going to be a little bit different, but you know, you can get up to 400, sometimes 500,000 miles on these diesel trucks, you know, just because of the traveling that they usually that they're geared towards, man. You know what I mean? That hard work. So that's what we're looking at. So we're gonna see what we can do, man. Truck is up there at the top of the hill. You see this long walk, dealership way back there. They got all this space, but they put the truck at the top of it. I don't get it. I don't get it, Sway. I don't get it, Mom. I don't get it. You know what I mean? So let's see what's to it. You did. All right. This is what I'm looking at. Pretty good mileage on it. So we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see what my man can work out for you, boy. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how about you?
I'm doing all right. All right, so stay tuned. Do you mind me recording?
No.
Okay, great. Alrighty, I like to ask first. Okay, no problem. Alrighty, so I'm interested in this truck. I've already looked at it online. The plan is to trade in my truck, the Silverado. I've already been financed for the truck. I have a check here. So if we can work out the numbers, get it right, I want to leave with it. Do you have the keys now?
No, but I'll go grab them.
Okay. Whew. Let's see, my man said I don't want to be recorded. That's cool. You ain't gotta be recorded. Your voice gonna be on here though. Yeah. So we shall see, man. My man came all the way up here. We already told him that we was gonna be up at the silver truck where we came from. We came up here with no keys in hand. And we back. All right, people, so that, I'm sorry, Ma. That deal is gonna be a no-go. So never do a deal, never let any type of dealership suck you into nothing out here in these streets. You know your value, you know your worth on things. Know your worth. First of all, the guy didn't even look interested in trying to do a deal, period. You know what I mean? Once I told him I had that check in my hand, he wasn't going for it. His face turned upside down when I said I've already been financed, didn't he?
Yeah, let me make sure.
Oh yeah, make sure my check down.
That's still weird. Yeah, still in here.
All right, cool. Yeah, so when I told him out the gate I've already been financed, you can tell the look on his face was like, Then he tried to offer me, that what I owe 21. He tried to offer me $4,000 or $5,000 less than my own on the truck. Man, you know what to say to today's society, bro. You know what's going on out here in the market, in these streets. People buying trucks left and right. You gonna sell me you gonna try to buy my truck for 17, then flip it on the market for 30. That's not gonna happen. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna keep on hunting, man. I ain't hurting for nobody. I got a truck.
Like you say, you can get a brand new one.
You feel me? I can go get a brand new Silverado at that price. A brand new truck out the door with no trade-in. That makes absolutely no sense. It'd be better, actually, it would have been better to not sell the truck and then not roll in extra money. What these folks on? What these folks on? But I ain't gonna say what I want to say out here. But yeah, so we're gonna go on, keep on looking, you did. That's what it is, so stay tuned. I ain't gonna hold you, I made another move, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you who made that. Who he is, man.
How's everybody doing? My name is Gbody Diamond Kasim. I work at Atlanta Best Used Cars. First off, I really want to say I appreciate your business. Thank you for giving me the chance.
No problem, appreciate
you. Anything you need, please reach out to me. I'll be more than glad to help out, okay?
Yeah, look, y'all, you heard him? Out with the old, in with the new. See it, y'all see it right there? We going to Ford now. We going big boy. Finally got my 250 diesel. You know I've been in the market. I've been hunting for a long time, and we made it happen. Finally, man. Look, so I'm ecstatic, and it ride oh so good. Look, how excited I am. Got leather, heated seats, sunroof, sliding rear window like I wanted. It's a diesel. It's a monster. It's a beast. Hey, look, and I got a rear cover that I ain't even asked for. You know, so we're gonna see what we can do with that. I don't think I'm gonna keep that. You know, I feel like I'm about 90 years old with that thing on the back of the.
You'll pull 600-700 for that.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try to do a deal. That's why I said, you know, nah, just keep it on there. I'm gonna see what's up. I'm gonna see what's up. But this man made it happen.
Thank you very much.
Man, I appreciate you, man.
I
definitely appreciate you, man. You too.
Deal, okay?
All right, drive safe out there too. And so it's done, y'all. The deal. We gonna get. Look, you still got DV digging the scene on the top, y'all. So we're gonna go and let them ride off into the sunset in this, and then my baby gone. Baby, you gonna cry? Anastasia be crying, y'all. She gonna be crying. You gonna cry? Don't cry. She better cry already, y'all. She better cry already. Oh, it's gone. I don't own that truck no more, y'all. It's the new baby. You gonna cry? Go on, cry. It's gone, baby. You cry every car I trade in. Why? Why? It's a done deal. It's a done deal. So I'm about to go on scoot, man. I'm finna go on head back to the house. Go on, start doing what I need to do. I really don't need to do nothing but, you know, take some papers off, this, that, and the third. But that's it, man. We in the building. How you feel about Ford? You like it? Do you like it? All right, man. I gotta get a wife opinion on the truck, man. So stay tuned.